Fermented foods are packed with probiotics, enzymes, and beneficial nutrients that support gut health and digestion. Here are 7 easy ways to incorporate them into your daily diet. 1. Start your day with yogurt or kefir. Swap your usual breakfast for plain, unsweetened yogurt or kefir with fruit, nuts, and honey. Blend kefir into smoothies for a probiotic boost. 2. Use sauerkraut or kimchi as a side dish. Add a small serving of sauerkraut or kimchi to your meals, especially with eggs, meats, or salads. These fermented veggies add flavor and aid digestion. 3. Add miso to soups and dressings. Stir a spoonful of miso paste into warm water for an instant gut-friendly soup. Use miso in salad dressings, marinades, or sauces. 4. Swap regular pickles for fermented ones. Choose naturally fermented pickles with live cultures instead of vinegar-based ones. Add them to sandwiches, burgers, or eat them as a snack. 5. Drink kombucha instead of soda. Replace sugary sodas with kombucha, a fizzy, probiotic-rich tea. Look for brands with low sugar, or brew your own. 6. Use tempeh as a protein source. Substitute tempeh for meat in stir-fries, salads, or sandwiches. It's high in protein and has a satisfying, nutty flavor. 7. Make a probiotic-rich dip or spread. Mix fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or miso into dips, salad dressings, or spreads. Try a yogurt-based tzatziki or miso-infused hummus for a gut-friendly twist.